Welcome back. I'm back on with video 2. I am Khufu Amun-Ra, your metaphysical practitioner, Reiki master, Qigong instructor, and Bond practitioner. This is video 2 of 2, step-by-step guide to the ancient protective spell, the Oath of the Ancestors. Let's get into it. Today I'm excited to share with you a detailed and powerful step-by-step guide on how to perform the ancient protection spell known as the Oath of the Ancestors. This sacred practice is designed to forge a profound connection with ancestral energies, creating a formidable protective shield against negativity and adversarial forces. We got a lot of those. Are you ready to embark on this spiritual journey? Remember, if you don't believe and have a relationship with your ancestors, this will not work for you. Let's dive in. Step 1, prepare your sacred space. Begin by finding a serene and tranquil area where you can engage in this ritual without interruption. Create a small altar or designated sacred space using items that resonate with your spirit, such as candles, crystals, or personal artifacts that hold meaning for you. To cleanse the space, you're going to do this to cleanse the space of any negative energy. Consider burning sage or dragon blood or lotus, any incense that you feel that you need to use, allowing the fragrant smoke to purify your surroundings and create an atmosphere conducive to spiritual work. Step 2, gather your offerings. Collect various offerings to present to your ancestors, as this is a vital part of the ritual. You see, offerings can include fresh fruit, vibrant flowers, herbs, or even a small drink such as water or herbal tea. Choose items that carry personal significance or reflective traditional offerings from your cultural background, as these will enhance the sincerity and depth of your ritual. Step 3, craft your protective symbol. Gather natural material like clay, herbs, or stones to create your very own protective talisman or amulet. As you shape this symbol, infuse it with your intention. Say this again, infuse it with your intentions. One more time, infuse it with your intentions for protection, strength, and resilience. You may want to incorporate traditional symbols, such as the Adinka symbol from Ghana or the Ankh from Kemet. Both embody specific protective meanings and further amplify the energy of your amulet, or use whatever you like. Step 4, invoke the ancestral spirits. Position yourself comfortably at your altar, either standing or sitting, and take a moment to close your eyes. Take several deep cleansing breaths to center your mind and your spirit. And then you're going to begin to chant or recite a heartfelt prayer that calls upon your ancestors. You can either use your own words or draw from traditional invocations that resonate with you. For example, you might say, "Ancestors of my lineage, I humbly call upon you for your guidance, wisdom, and protection. Surround me with your strength and light. Step 5, articulate your personal affirmation. After invoking the ancestors, confidently state your intentions aloud. Very important. Anything you want or trying to protect or want to have happen. This affirmation serves as a powerful declaration of your empowerment. An example affirmation could be, with the unwavering strength of my ancestors, I stand resolute against all forms of harm and negativity. I am shielded and protected by all the warriors that stand beside, behind, and in front of me. Repeat this affirmation multiple times, allowing it to resonate within you, reinforcing your commitment to protection and strength. Step 6, present your offerings with gratitude. Place your carefully chosen offerings on the altar as a meaningful gesture of gratitude and respect toward your ancestors. As you lay each item down, express your heartfelt thanks, either verbally or in your mind, acknowledging the vital support and guidance they have provided throughout your life. This is important. Step 7, enter a state of meditation and visualization. Now, sit quietly and enter a meditative state. Allow yourself to feel calm and centered. Visualize a powerful protective barrier surrounding your entire being. This could be that Merkaba protection that I did a video on last week. But you want to imagine this barrier as a radiant light of energy field that effectively repels any negative harm or malicious intentions directly or directed your way. Allow yourself to fully experience the comforting presence of your ancestors, enveloping you in their protective embrace, reinforcing your sense of security and empowerment. Step 8, conclude the ritual with reverence. As you conclude the ritual, take a moment to sincerely thank your ancestors for their unwavering protection and guidance. You may choose to extinguish any candles or incense, symbolizing the end of the ritual and the closing of the spiritual energy you have invoked. If you create a talisman during the process, keep it with you or place it in your special location as a tangible reminder of your connection to your ancestors and the protection they provide. In summary, by following these carefully outlined steps to perform the oath of the ancestors, you can cultivate a powerful connection with your ancestral lineage and establish a protective shield around yourself. Embrace the strength, wisdom, and guidance of your ancestors. And remember that you are never alone on your journey through life. If you decide to try this spell, I would love to hear your experiences and insights in the comments below. So until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep expanding your understanding of the world and beyond. Remember, ancient knowledge is still out there. Seek the truth, my people. Ashe, ashe, ashe.